I said yes a really long time ago. And since then, I've lost 2 wedding bands and 1 engagement ring. And my husband's no longer interested in buying me more. So I got my own on Amazon. It's 2 rings. The first one is sort of in lieu of my wedding band. It's a perfect little like pear cut out stackable ring. It's got little stones in it and not a single one, let's see, not a single one is missing. This here is in place of my engagement ring. Guys, so pretty. Given that it's Amazon, I can change my mind in a couple months, a couple years, get a new set, who cares? I feel married, you know? Oh, one thing is that both of these listings are very upfront about the fact that these items easily oxidize and not to wear them showering or to be careful with certain cosmetics or lotions or whatever. Like, I didn't take any of that advice and I've been wearing it just all the time and I don't take it off to shower. This is exactly how it looks if you do the same thing as me. And if I lose it again, who cares? I can reorder, which I probably will if anything gets like damaged or whatever. No green, obviously. Nothing to see there. Very comfortable. Oh, you know what's crazy? It never snags on my hair. Ever. I guess the only, like the main, like maybe complaint that I've seen people say that they don't look super authentic or like, I guess if you're the kind of person who can look at this ring and be like, ugh, like that's fake. Like I'm not that person. So I love it. And if you're that person, I'm not super bothered by the fact that you know that I bought this on it, but like who cares, you know? It's just a pretty ring. I recommend these. I totally do. Come on. Come on. I think it's like one of those, I'm not like glad that I lost my rings, obviously, but now I'm not as sad about it. You know what I mean?